Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix speaker not working on iPad Pro 11 M5. Let's begin. So, first of all, we want to make sure that we have no Bluetooth devices connected, and we can make sure of that by simply disabling the Bluetooth, and we can do that by clicking, at least with the pen or finger you want to just swipe down, using your finger, and then going to Bluetooth and just disabling it like that. Or alternatively, you can head into your settings, then go into Bluetooth from here and make sure that it's disabled like this. Though technically, I think better option is to just disable the Bluetooth device itself and leave Bluetooth on, because then you can still use your Pencil Pro while having no audio being rerouted. And now let's go onto the speaker itself. Technically, on the software level, there isn't much we can do. We could potentially go into our sounds and make sure that our sounds are relatively loud. So now, thanks to that, we make sure that our speaker is working. However, if you see that it is not working, I would advise you to go into the focus and do disturb mode, and then options. If you have the Do Not Disturb mode enabled, it's incredibly important to note that by default you will have silence notifications, and I believe that sometimes it can even silence the whole media volume as well, so you want to be very careful about this. And lastly, if you're having troubles with the quality of the sound from your speakers, I would just advise you to clean the speakers themselves. Now, you want to be very careful when you do that, because you don't want to use anything metallic, so no needles, no pins, no anything. Instead, I would advise you to use, for example, soft toothbrush or, at best, the wooden toothpick. Once again, nothing metallic, because chances are you will probably end up breaking or damaging your speaker even further, which is of course something we don't want. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.